Authoring a branch fitting in Inventor Tube and Pipe requires a few extra steps from a standard fitting. The first thing to remember is that you do need to have a couple of extra parameters on your part, and these can be included in your iPart table, as we can see in this sample part that I have here. The two parameters that you need to add are minimum nominal size, or min nominal size, and max nominal size. Min nominal size refers to the diameter of the part outgoing, the branch itself, whereas maximum nominal size refers to the run diameter, or the diameter of the pipe that this part will sit on. So those two parameters do need to be added either to your iPart table or as parameters on the part. As always, it's helpful to have a size column in your iPart table so that you can grab those more easily. So with this graphic, this kind of shows exactly the things that you need in place for a branch fitting. You need a connection point for connection number one, so it might be handy to put in a work point there, or you can select the diameter and the plane during the actual authoring process. You need a connection axis for number one. You need a mating point for connection number two, which is going to be found at the axis running through the radius where the part sits on the pipe, and this axis running down through the branch of the pipe itself. You need a pipe axis for connection number two, and you need a cut profile where the pipe is going to be cut as this thing sits on it. Now that sketch for your cut profile will be sitting at the axis of the run diameter, which is the larger pipe that the branch fitting is going to be sitting on. So with all of these things in place, we can take a look at the actual authoring for the part itself. So again, we're going to go to the Tube and Pipe tool in your authoring menu, and you'll see on connection number one you need to check the end treatment. As always, default is going to be threaded. In this case, I've chosen butt welded. And on connection number one, you're going to put the minimum nominal size, because this is going to represent the branch itself, the part, the branch coming out of the fitting. So I've selected this diameter as my point and the axis as my axis. I put neutral on here. I could just as easily have chosen male or female. For connection number two, you're going to have both minimum and maximum nominal size, and the maximum nominal size represents the run diameter that this pipe is sitting on. So for the mating point, I've chosen this point down here at the axis, and for the pipe axis you're going to choose the actual run diameter axis, which I don't have turned on at the moment, but it would be running right around through here. For your cut mating pipe, you're going to select the sketch of your cut profile, and that is all you need to select for these parts. As long as you have those parameters in place with the correct dimensions on them, just follow the steps through the authoring and you're ready to publish your part.